Sir, dito sa amin ay matatarik ang daanan. Alin po dyan ang maganda sa situation namin? Top 3 po sana. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So recently, we just had our top 10 best 7-seaters. Pinag-usapan natin yung mga best features, best in like looks, functionality. So right now, we have this very specific question nga no, from one of our viewers, specifically for uphill at saka matatarik. So in that case, according to the sheet that we've made for you guys, nirank natin yung different 7-seaters according to power. And ito yung top 3 para sa atin. So nakita po natin doon, number 1 sa power si Toyota Innova. That's the basic talaga, 2.8 liter engine. Pangalawa po natin si Honda BRV in terms of power. And then lastly, si Stargazer. Yung pangatlo po in terms of power, akyatan, palakasan. So sana nakatulong. Watch the full top 10 in our channel. See you.